you try to launch Frostpunk 2 on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial, we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app, select Frostpunk 2, click on the three dots, select Manage, open the Files tab, click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Frostpunk 2 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Press Yes. Now wait for Frostpunk 2 to be scanned for errors. Now launch Frostpunk 2. First, open the Start menu, open your settings, open Apps, open the Installed Apps section, locate Frostpunk 2. Click on the three dots to open the Frostpunk 2 options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Frostpunk 2 isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Frostpunk 2 data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Frostpunk 2 is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Frostpunk 2's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Frostpunk 2 is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Frostpunk 2's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Frostpunk 2 and its related info will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Frostpunk 2 again. Search for Frostpunk 2. Click on Frostpunk 2. Press Install. Select your installation drive. Press Install again. Wait for Frostpunk 2 to be downloaded and installed. Now launch your game.